when we look at what do we need for the common good, we heard that question during this day. I believe that what we need for the common good is what we have to look for in our hearts, in our soul. I'm sure that if we search for the common good in our hearts, in our soul, that whatever moral and spiritual foundation we need to give to our decisions in the private sector or in the public sector, we will find that source in our hearts. Every one of us have it. Maybe we have to search a little bit harder. Maybe we have to move away some other concerns, some other ambitions, but all of us are blessed with our Lord's position to be someone in the community that can change lives. So today, let's go home with the assurance that we all have what it takes to serve the common good.